or native chicken, the whole native chicken. Kaya lang, yung baby ko, sabi niya, pagka native chicken daw, kulang ang laman. So I'm going to use this. Pero mas masarap pagka ginagamit ang native chicken. Put a little bit of salt. Welcome back to my channel. This is Mami Nalia Chrissy. Guys, our video for today, magluto ako ng cantonese soy sauce chicken. Maroon ako ditong red onions. Chop them malalaki. Or slice them. Big slices of. Slice also my ginger. Like this. Going to slice my garlic like this. I have here bay leaves. I have here cinnamon stick. And meron din ako ditong star anise. Ayan, oh. I'll be needing a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Ang gagamitin kong chicken legs. You can use your native chicken, the whole native chicken. Kaya lang, yung baby ko, sabi niya, pagka native chicken daw, kulang ang laman. So I'm going to use this. Pero mas masarap pagka ang ginamit ay native chicken. So let's start cooking, guys. Meron ako ditong pan. I'm going to put olive oil, about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Painitin natin ang oil. Huwag masyadong mainit. Then I'm going to put all my aromas. The ginger, shallots, or red onions, and then the garlic. Saute until golden brown. The aroma of ginger. Amoy na amoy talaga. Now, I'm going to put my chicken. I'm going to put my star anise and cinnamon stick and my bay leaves. Then, I'm going to put a little bit of salt. 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And about 2 cups of water. I already have here boiling water. I'm going to put my water. We use boiling water, guys, para mas mabilis. I'm going to put a little bit of chicken stock powder, or if you have Maggi bouillon, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, guys. After 10 minutes, ito na siya, guys. After 10 minutes, I'm going to put the onion leaves. The white part of onion leaves, just slice them into half. Cover again and cook for another 10 minutes. Pero pagka whole chicken niya siya, guys, medyo matagal siyang lulutuin. It depends the size of the chicken. Pagka native chicken, medyo matagal siya. You need to cook the native chicken for about 30 to 40 minutes. Cover this again. Ito na siya, guys. Luto na siya. I'm going to take off the chicken and save the gravy because I'm going to use this gravy into my chicken later. I'm going to fry the chicken 2 minutes each side. Now, what I'm going to do with this gravy, I'm going to taste it if there's enough sugar on it. No, not enough sugar. The gravy must be a little bit sweet. Then I'm going to simmer this 5 minutes more until the gravy becomes sticky. If it's not sticky enough for you, you can add a little bit of cornstarch. Okay guys, but this is enough for me. This is sticky enough for me. The taste is enough, so I don't need to add some more cornstarch. Okay guys, and this is almost ready. Ito na siya guys, prinito ko na ang aking chicken. You don't have to fry the chicken for a long time. I mean, you just have to fry for 2 minutes each side. Kasi pagka fry siya ng maigi, magiging maitim siya kagaya ko. Kasi niluto nga siya ng soy sauce, with soy sauce. Okay guys, so 2 minutes each side in a medium heat. Para hindi siya masunog, para hindi siya umitim, kagaya ko. Okay? I'm going to chop them now. Tapos, ipi-plating na natin siya, guys. Pinap ko na siya, and then I'm going to put the gravy now. Take off, or you can put the gravy clean, or you can put like that with the other ingredients. So, I just take off the cinnamon stick and then the bay leaves. Look at that, guys. You can cook this spicy, or you can put chili or dry chili on this. Look at that. So, diba? So yummy. Make your gravy more sticky. But I am fine with this kasi we need gravy. Mahilig sila sa gravy. I'm going to taste. Yeah, you know, the smell, the aroma of my spices, just like the cinnamon stick and then the star anise, nag-sink in siya. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Bye!